revealed disturbing details in the fatal shooting of a 14-year-old boy on New Year's Eve. The examination shows the minor was shot from behind, sustaining injuries that were incompatible with life. The family is now demanding justice as human rights groups call for an independent investigation. Shakina Maoga has more.
According to the post-mortem findings, the bullet entered through the left posterior shoulder, confirming that the boy was shot from the rear before exiting through the front of his body. The boy was pronounced dead shortly after the incident.
Na hiyo risasi moja ambayo iliingia upande wa kushoto na kutoka hapa mbele ilipasua mishipa ambayo ilikuwa inapeleka damu kwenye moyo wake.
Following the release of the post-mortem report, the family of the deceased has formally demanded accountability, calling for a full and impartial investigation into the circumstances that led to the fatal shooting.
Nasikia uchungu sana venye mwanangu aliuliwa bila hatia yoyote. Nataka hao wenye walifanya uhalifu washika kwa haraka sana. Sitaki ichelewe hii kesi, manake juu mimi naumia tu saa yote. Tafadhalini, nataka usaidizi.
Human rights organizations and civil society groups have strongly condemned the incident, terming it a grave violation of the right to life. The groups have also raised concern over allegations that police officers may have been involved in the shooting and are now urging the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to immediately take up the matter and conduct an independent investigation in line with its legal mandate.
Ombi letu ni kwa IPOA. Tunasema tena, your silence is wanting. IPOA, your silence is wanting. Vijana wanauliwa kila siku, kila uchao, lakini hatuoni maafisa wote wa polisi wakipelekwa mahakamani.
Family says it will continue to pursue justice as they await action from IPOA and other relevant authorities. Shakaina Maoga, TV 47, Nairobi.